You need something to keep the cost down.
Yeah, I'm going to $30.
They sold them at Family Dollar?
Mm-hmm.
I didn't know that.
Yeah. I'll say, way in Pittsburgh. You said me.
I used to live in Pittsburgh.
Huh?
I used to live there.
Yeah.
McKees Rocks?
Huh?
McKees Rocks? We're in Pittsburgh.
Oh, Pure? Check out there?
Yeah.
I might gotta do cash app. What's your cash app?
Over here. The door's locked. Think I'm stupid? Come on.
Open it.
It's locked.
Right.
Give me the phone.
What you guys grab my phone for?
Give me the phone. I'm gonna take the screen off and you can get out of here or I can call the cops. One of the two.
I'm gonna call home.
You can be on my TikTok. Got your face, got your accent.
Mom. Mom. Why am I inside the store? Like, why you lock the doors on me? I ain't my fault.
All right, I'm gonna call the cops if that's the case.
Dude, come on, you gotta take me to jail.
You're gonna give me my screen back or you're gonna go home? Which one is it?
Because his screen is I gotta run home. He takes my screen.
All you have to do is give me the phone, let me take the screen off, and I'll let you go.
He tried once, he tried now, he got the police a lot of time, he got to put me in jail. He's somebody about to put me in jail. The dude.
Not if you don't give me my screen back.
No, yes, my sister paid this man. He didn't even fix my phone. He only charged me 90. He only charged me 90.
Give me the phone back.
Huh?
Give me the phone back.
Give
me the phone. I'm gonna take the screen off and put your old screen back on and let you go. You know I got everything on camera, right?
Ma, come on, you hurry up. Niggas about to shoot at you. Because it's wrong, guys. You charge me 155. Jamal only charged me 65.
Can I have my phone back and I put your screen back on? You can go to Jamal?
My mom about to come up here.
I don't want your mama here. Give me my phone back. Give me my screen back.
Ma, come on, for real.
I'm not letting your mom in.
What you got? How you gonna get your money?
I don't want my money. I want my screen back. Give me the phone, and I can let you go.
He's trying to sue me. Hurry up.
What the hell? I got you on camera. Why are you lying? She's lying. She won't give me back the screen. Go ahead. Go ahead.
No, you pay out. I don't know who the fuck is lying. Now, what the fuck is going on?
She tried to run out of the store.
Okay.
And I told her, give me the phone, I'll take the screen off, and we can be done with this. But she wasn't having it.
How much is the phone cost?
The screen is $125.
You only charged me $75 for mine. I can tell.
She has an XR.
I got an 11.
Or 11.
Right. That's what I'm saying. You didn't charge my other kid or my other kids that much. So why just charge her?
The screen for the 1200 is $200.
You didn't charge me when you fixed my phone. They didn't charge me that.
You must have got insurance or something.
No, y'all fixed it your insurance. What do you mean? She must have got insurance. I got insurance too. Right. So why you didn't go to the insurance? I don't know.
All she has to do is give me the phone back and I can take the screen off and we're done.
You just go there. You just go around the corner and get it fixed. Come on, let's go. Give him the fucking phone. I'm about to get it fixed. Give him the fucking phone so I can take the fucking screen off. Why you gonna try to break my phone? He's trying to break your phone.
The phone's already broken. Oh my God, made it harder than it could have been done in 2 minutes.
I first walked there, he locked the doors on the 2 like that. But his doors automatic lock. You know, he did that because he caused the weird. He did that. He's not supposed to.
She She ran, honey, your daughter is a liar.
What happened?
She came in here with a little boy. She asked me how much the screen was. I told her 125. She came and
You
she
never
dropped it
told
off.
me.
Can I finish with your mom?
phone.
Can I finish with your mom? When she came back, I told her you got too many problems going on because your cable snapped her from the inside because when it dropped, it must have came off. Her battery is fat. Look, I showed her this before I even did the work. Your intention was to run out here with the phone. That's why your friend had the door open and I told you to have her close it. I knew you were doing this. Honey, I've been doing this for 30 years. You have a problem. No. You don't want you to hear the truth. I told her your phone is not fixable. I told her your battery's fat. Your earpiece
Heavy girls that ran out of here with
Look
their
at the
phone
back.
being fixed. Heavy girls, I know. So what did you
What
do?
do you heavy girls you know? Stop lying.
There. Just fix the phone. I just ran out of here yesterday with her phone. Okay, so what you thought? You throw rap too?
That's why she's on TikTok too. She ran away 2 months ago. She did that. That's why she tried to do it too.